In today's video, I'm going to show you how I would use information lines and extended lines. So once we've loaded up our chart, we need to look to the toolbar towards the left of our screen. Now, using the extra option, which is the arrow pointing towards the right, we get the trend tools. So the info line can be used for a variety of reasons. You can measure breakouts, you can measure the distance between a high and a low, for example, which shows you 14 bars, 4 days and 7 hours, the distance in pips, so 192, and the angle between the high and the low. Moreover, it can be used to measure the distance between support and resistance levels. So if you want your support and resistance levels to be uniform, you could place, let's say, a horizontal line, which is the other part of this video. You can see the horizontal line is extending towards the right and left-hand side of our screen, which means that this will be extended into the future, and we can backtest it with historical data to see if it is relatively correct or used to be a level of support or resistance, etc. So let's say I've placed my support level here, and then I've placed the support level at this high. I can then use the info line by dragging it between the two support levels, and I can measure the distance between them. Then, if I'm anticipating that this is the distance between two support levels, which, let me just change that to green so that it's easier for you to see on your screens, I can then extend this line to show to me where I could anticipate my next support level to be. That could be done by either dragging it, or you can left click on the info line, clicking on Control C and Control V to paste that, and then holding left click, you can bring that down. That is working for Windows. For the Mac, it is a different shortcut. But you can see, we can even draw another line. So I'm waiting to see. Pips is 84, so you can see we're dragging it, and this is where I could expect to see another support level in this hypothetical scenario. This can also work for resistance levels. So essentially, the information line provides us with information on our chart, and the horizontal line simply creates a line which extends towards the left and right-hand sides of our screen.